Some people might say yes, some people might say no. Why? Because in my previous videos I have discussed the biological factor also with you all, and then I have discussed the socio-cultural factor with you all. Fine. Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing the previous year questions with respect to the topic of personality in psychology for the year 2021. Now we'll be talking which questions were there in 2021. So in my previous videos I have discussed with the year 2023, 2024, 2022 was also there. So 2021, here it is. Now let's move on. There was this one question in the year of 2021 which said that are we born with personality? Right? So are we born like this? So the point is this: now critically evaluate with the theoretical interpretation, right? So now what is happening is that are we born with personality? Now some people might say yes, some people might say no. Why? Because in my previous videos I have discussed the biological factor also with you all, and then I have discussed the socio-cultural factor with you all. Fine. Now what is happening is that the first thing is that if we are born with the personality, so it's like genetic influences, right? So biological, genetic, with cultural norms, right? So that means apart from the biological part, the cultural norms are also playing a big role. Then it says like you are born by nature. You know, there are certain things that you are instilled with, and then there are certain things which you nurture in the process. So nurture in the sense that means here you can talk about the family aspects, the friends, the social belonging. Fine. So nurturing part is over there. Now if I go with the third thing, that means we have genetic, culture, nature versus nurture. Then you have Freud's unconscious mind. Fine. Then we can talk about humanistic perspective. Fine. Here again you can write about Maslow, Roger, etc. Then you can actually also talk about behaviorism. With respect to B.F. Skinner. So now you see we have discussed about humanistic perspective, we have discussed about behaviorism, we have discussed about Freud, we have discussed about nature, nurture, etc. Then you can also go for okay, social learning theory of Bandura. That means a person's personality can be learnt also, right? So in the experiment of Bobo doll, you see the child is learning the aggression and then is trying to put out the aggression on the Bobo doll. So social learning over there. Then you can also talk about CBT, that is cognitive behavioral aspect. That means whatever your attitude is, you are learning it and then you are putting it in your behavior. So cognitive behavioral aspect, right? So all this again, then I have made you do it in the class also, that is the trait theories, right? So I have mentioned like 8 over here. You can mention more since it's a 20 marks question, so accordingly you can deal with it. Now 2021 was the question was the year where they asked this personality question. You know, one question was there and that was this. So thank you so much. Next time I'll be coming with some other questions of the other years. Thank you.